Welcome to NurseHive's NCLEX-RN Prep module. I would like to show you around our NCLEX-RN Prep module. We designed membership types to support your needs along your nursing journey. Instant feedback is an important piece to any learning program. NurseHive's NCLEX-RN Study Aid provides right or wrong answers, explanations for correct answers, progress through quizzes, an average time to answer. You are taking the NCLEX-RN exam to pass it, and pass it on your first try, right? Our technology gives you control of when and how you study to support knowledge retention. When you want to study, go to our quick questions section that provides questions on all the specialty sections. When you are ready to review, go to our review module to take practice quizzes for each of the 13 different specialty categories. When you're ready to test all your knowledge, go to our NCLEX-RN simulator. It is just like the real exam, timed and all. The simulation test will be available after you pass each of the 13 specialty exams. As you progress through each practice quiz and pass your final exam simulation, you will receive an e-certificate to mark your progress. Download at the end of each section. Remember, as a member of NurseHive, you have access to our forums, The Buzz. We have a dedicated section for NCLEX-RN topics. Use the NurseHive community to ask questions, get support, and gain insight on all things NCLEX. Get started and register at NurseHivePrep.com. It is free and easy to do. Just follow the bee and register now.